How to make an Herbalife shake, part 1. All right, so we're starting with our silk milk, and we want to measure about 8 ounces. 8 ounces is 7 grams of protein. This is what you start with. If you have a blender and if you have a shaker cup, you pour 8 ounces like that. Okay, so you can always mark it or just, play it by ear depending on your taste that you prefer. Today I'm going to blend the shake. This is for my son. I add 3 ice cubes. And you want to make sure you shake up the tub so that it is fluffy. And it's always 2 scoops. This is what it looks like at first.